Hi, guys. Welcome to another segment of Legal Friday with me, Francine. So, this week I got a flurry of phone calls about estate plans. So, I thought, okay, this is the 1st of October. I'm going to make this month about estate plan issues. So, I think today it's really a basic one. Let me also say what I'm sharing is general information for your educational purposes only. This is not legal advice. I'm not the lawyer for anybody here. So there is no attorney-client relationship being established. This is just information for educational purposes only. So there are two different types of estate plans. There's a trust-based estate plan and a wills-based estate plan. The difference is the trust-based estate plan, everything is centered around the trust. The trust is the primary document. Then you have the pour over will. And a good way to think about that is, let's say you have a cup and a saucer and you have lots of fluid in the cup, and actually some of the fluid pours over into the saucer. That's how you think about the pour over will. Sometimes things are not titled properly, so they get taken, they get put into the will. Sometimes they were never put in the trust and they go into that saucer part, the pour over will. So you've got the trust, you've got the pour over will, the health care directive. I like to include a HIPAA authorization, which gives your agent the authority to access your medical records, durable power of attorney. There are a number of documents. And if you've got any kind of real estate, then the deeds go along with that and all the documents that are tied to the recording of the deed. That's the trust-based estate plan. On the other hand, the wills-based estate plan is where everything is centered around just your will. That's it. There is no trust. It's the will, it's the healthcare directive, the power of attorney, the HIPAA authorization, and a number of other documents. But again, the difference is one is based on the trust, the other is based simply on the will. I think that's it for now. This can get pretty complicated, but I'll tell you, on my website, francineWard.com, I have blogs, and I've done some recent blogs on this issue. Also, actually, my last month's newsletter, September, if you go into the website, you can sign up for the newsletter. And I actually had a really cool infographic, which gives you some information about the difference between the two and the different types of trust, which I think I'm going to focus on next week. All right, until next week, I'm Francine, and this is Legal Friday with me, Francine. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye-bye.